Google Chat is an application using which you would be able to collaborate with your team members and anyone who has a personal Gmail or a G Suite account. Now, Google Chat has multiple features which you would love, including the likes of sharing documents, having a video call, using Google Meet, and multiple other facilities and features. But since it was launched last year, one of the most anticipated features was Google Chat to be integrated with Gmail. Gmail has been integrated with multiple applications in the last couple of months. We got the integration with the Google Calendar, we got it with the Google Keep, Google Tasks, and many new things are coming on the Gmail interface so that we can consolidate everything and help the user collaborate with the team members and all the other elements within the organization easily and efficiently. In this video, I will show you how you can get Google Chat within your Gmail account. Now, the steps are very simple, easy to do, and just as a disclaimer, this can only be done by your administrator. So if you are not the administrator of your company, share this video with the administrator and they would be able to do these steps for you. But you as a user would be able to benefit from all the features and facilities which Google Chat has for you. So let's get started. For us to start first, we need to go into admin.google.com, and that is your admin console. And from here, you would need to go into the apps button, and within the app setting, you need to click on G Suite. And once you are inside G Suite, you will find the Hangouts chat button. Depending on when you are seeing this video, you would see Hangouts chat or Google Chat mentioned over here. You simply need to click on that to proceed with this particular setting. Once here, you would see the chat clients button here, and you would be able to easily click on that and expand that button or feature for you. Here you need to click on the chat preferred option within Hangouts chat settings, and you go into simply saving that setting for your organization. Once it is saved, it takes a couple of hours, so just notify your users accordingly and let them just wait for them to get the amazing feature of Google Chat within their Gmail interface. And if you simply sign into your end user account, you should be able to welcome that user with the new Google Chat interface. Now, the user is going to be welcomed with an amazing animation on Google Chat, how it works and what are the features it has as a solution and as an amazing tool within that of G Suite. Now, Google Chat is something using which you would be able to interact with your team members and colleagues, as I had mentioned earlier, and this is just going to be amazing when it is within Gmail. I have personally benefited a lot after it has come within Gmail, and my team has also loved this solution and feature built into that of the Gmail web interface. So here I would like to show you a couple of features which are available inside that of Google Chat. Now, Google Chat has elements like a group message, which you can do normally. You can create a room in which you can add chatbots and multiple other facilities using which you can automate things and have a very collaborative discussion with your team members. And you also have bots. Now, bots are third-party applications or applications you build for your organization and you integrate with the Google Chat platform so that you can make automation happen through that of Google Chat. Amazing stuff over here. Now, let me just quickly start a conversation with myself from gulfinfotech.com. So I'll just type in yahya@gulfinfotech.com, and this is where I am, and I'll just say hi. Now, the message goes to the other party and they can start interacting with me like normal, like the traditional days wherein we had the Hangouts chat or the normal Hangouts which was there within the Gmail interface. It's as normal as that. It's just that we have a new interface, new features, new facilities, and amazing features built into it. Now, once I'm here, I also have other facilities like initiating a video call and other things. For that, I simply need to click on the plus icon, and I have the other facilities built into that of Google Chat. I can initiate a video call by just clicking on the video meeting button. I can insert a file using Google Drive, or I can even upload a normal document onto this Google Chat. Amazing features over here. If I want to share a PDF document, I can simply upload that document onto Google Chat and I can have my team members look into it efficiently without leaving the Gmail interface. And that's really beautiful and time saving. Now, if you want to make your chat more interesting and fun, you also have the emojis. You can use that, and we have plenty of them on Google Chat. And let me just show you how to quickly add a video meeting. It is as simple as clicking the video call button, and it just pops up with a join video meeting button, which is an easily clickable button for the recipient or you to click and join the meeting. So this is all for today. This is all for the Google Chat integration with that of Gmail. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have benefited from the features which I discussed with you today during this session. If you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos on G Suite updates and any other cloud solution updates. Now, I'm a cloud enthusiast and I would be uploading videos on how to do things and tips and tricks on how to use these cloud solutions as and when I come across them. So stay tuned for more such videos, and as I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, stay safe, and have a nice day.